Carpenter ants leaving sawdust piles, or frass, are a dead giveaway that your wooden stuff might be getting chewed up, and you gotta catch it early before things get worse. So, if you spot little piles of sawdust-looking stuff around your baseboards, windowsills, or anywhere wooden, that's frass, carpenter ants packing up their mess. First thing, check for hollow-sounding wood or any tiny holes where they might be coming in. Keep an eye out during spring and summer when these ants are most active. You want to clear away any damp wood or debris near your house, because that's like an all-you-can-eat buffet for them. Seal cracks and gaps with caulk or wood putty to block their entry points. Trim back tree branches or shrubs touching your house to cut down their travel routes. If you find a nest, you can use bait traps designed for carpenter ants to take them down without messing up your home structure. And don't forget to keep your home dry. Moisture attracts these guys big time. One of the biggest mistakes people make when dealing with carpenter ants leaving sawdust piles is ignoring the signs until the damage is obvious, which lets the infestation grow way too big. Catch it early by regular inspections. Another common slip-up is using generic bug sprays that don't reach the nest. Best fix is targeted bait traps or calling in pros who know their stuff. Lastly, folks sometimes overlook moisture problems. Damp wood is like a welcome mat, so fixing leaks and improving ventilation is key to stopping ants from sticking around. BigHomeProjects.com is super handy for homeowners trying to find reliable local contractors who actually know how to handle carpenter ant problems without making a mess. It also helps contractors connect with people who need their skills, making it easier for everyone to get the job done right.